Hello, my friends. My name is Lana. I invite you to do this Tai Chi and Qigong movement with me. It's called Grasp the Bird's Tail. So we step our left foot out, aside. Our arms move like this. We float slowly, making a circle with the right hand. We have a little bird in our hands. We set it free. This movement teaches us to treat ourselves and others gently and kindly. Slowly swing through a circle. Left hand pushes right. And set it free. And let go. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for joining.